Struggling to truss that chicken for your Weber rotisserie? Then it's a video for you. And don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So this is one that's been asked for quite a few times, and a lot of people are struggling to truss the chicken for the Weber rotisserie. Now, if you want to truss it for a rotisserie, it's slightly different to when you truss it to put it straight on the trivet for the convection cooking system. So we'll jump straight into it. So let's get this chicken trussed and get it on the queue. Right, so to truss your chicken for your Weber rotisserie, it's a little bit different from trussing a chicken that's going to go straight in the oven or in the convection cooking system, because you don't want any wire across here that's going to interfere with you getting that rotisserie pole through your chicken. So first of all, what you're going to need is some twine, and you're going to want at least 4 times the length of your chicken. I normally go 5 just to have that little bit extra. Cut your twine. So next with your twine, find the halfway mark, which is there. Now what we're going to do is slide it under the bird, on it roughly where the breastbone is. And what you're going to do is fold that over. You're going to crisscross it. Pull that taut, go back under the leg of the bird. We're going to crisscross that again. At this point, we're going to flip the chicken over. Now we're going to go under the wing. We're going to crisscross it again. We're going to go around the bird, so flip the bird over again. And we're going to tie that across the breast. And tie a little bow or a knot, it's entirely up to you. And then get your wings and fold them behind the bird. And that is how you truss a chicken for a rotisserie. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I enjoyed that quick tutorial on how to truss your chicken for your Weber rotisserie. Now, for those of you looking to clean your Weber Q1200N the easy way, this is the video for you. And for those who've got the Q1200 Generation 2 and looking for an easy way to clean that, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.